I got a few chats from investors, so I'm happy.
It was a unique and a fun experience.
It's a great opportunity to be able to talk to so many investors at once.
If I was to contact this many VCs and to book a meeting with all of them, it would take me a considerable amount of time. We're talking months.
For us, it's a way of getting in front of startups that may be of interest to us to potentially invest in.
We're working very hard on the next steps towards proposals.
As a tiny startup, we are having some scaling challenges.
As we are growing, we will definitely need extra coaching. You need to have a proper match with your investor if you are looking more long term.
They are more open to look at the startup in depth because there's a pre-screening that's done by EY.
All the material you guys provided is worth gold, really.
This is actually the first time we've pitched the business. So to do it on a platform when we've got people from like so many different sort of countries and backgrounds.
I think it's really a time saver, both for the investors and for us entrepreneurs.